Welcome to an in-depth exploration of therapeutic success stories, energy psychology in action, a pivotal part of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing and energy psychology. This session is dedicated to showcasing the real-world impact of energy psychology through various therapeutic success stories, illustrating how these techniques have brought about transformative changes in people's lives. Case Study 1: Overcoming Trauma with EFT. Our first story involves a patient, Sarah, we have changed the name for privacy, who struggled with severe post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, following a car accident. Traditional therapy had limited success in alleviating her symptoms, which included flashbacks, anxiety, and insomnia. When introduced to emotional freedom techniques, EFT, Sarah experienced a significant breakthrough. A study in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease corroborates this, showing that EFT can reduce PTSD symptoms. Through regular EFT sessions, Sarah reported a dramatic reduction in flashbacks and anxiety, illustrating EFT's potential in trauma therapy. Case Study 2: Managing Chronic Pain with Qigong. Next, we examine the case of David, who suffered from chronic back pain. After trying various treatments with minimal relief, he turned to Qigong, a traditional Chinese mind-body practice. Over several weeks of practicing Qigong, David noticed a substantial decrease in pain and improvement in mobility. A clinical study published in the Annals of the New York Academy of Sciences supports this, indicating that Qigong can effectively reduce chronic pain conditions. David's case is a testament to the healing power of integrating energy practices into physical health management. Case Study 3: Addressing Anxiety with Thought Field Therapy, TFT. Another remarkable story is of Emma, a young woman dealing with severe anxiety. Emma was introduced to thought field therapy, a technique involving tapping on specific meridian points. After several TFT sessions, Emma reported a significant decrease in her anxiety levels. Her case reflects findings from a study in the African Journal of Traumatic Stress, which demonstrated TFT's efficacy in reducing anxiety symptoms. Emma's experience highlights TFT's role in managing anxiety disorders. Case Study 4: Transformation through Pranic Healing. We also explore the story of John, who experienced chronic fatigue and emotional burnout. Pranic healing, which involves cleansing and energizing the aura, was suggested as a complementary treatment. After a series of pranic healing sessions, John reported increased energy levels and a more positive outlook on life. This aligns with research published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, which found that biofield field therapies like pranic healing can enhance overall well-being. Case Study 5: Mindfulness-Based Energy Psychology for Depression. Finally, we look at the case of Linda, who battled depression for years. Incorporating mindfulness-based energy psychology techniques, Linda learned to manage her emotions more effectively. This approach, combining mindfulness with energy healing practices, led to a notable improvement in her mood and outlook. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychology supports this, showing that mindfulness interventions can significantly reduce symptoms of depression. These success stories not only demonstrate the effectiveness of energy psychology techniques, but also illustrate the diverse applications of these methods in treating a wide range of psychological and physical conditions. As we reflect on these stories, we recognize the potential of energy psychology to complement traditional therapies, offering hope and healing to those who might not find relief through conventional methods alone. In this detailed exploration, you have witnessed the transformative impact of energy psychology through real-life success stories. These narratives not only inspire but also affirm the significant role that energy psychology can play in modern therapeutic practice. Let's continue to learn from these experiences and integrate these powerful techniques into our journey towards holistic healing and personal growth.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.